What is good? Gang, it's your boy Tokyo back with another video now. This is episode 2 of Trackhawks and Hellcats. I don't know which one comes first. I'll see at the end of the video. But if you're new here, like, comment, and subscribe. If you like what you see, please drop what was your favorite car in the comments. Let me know. Better feedback, better videos coming soon. So hopefully I have a couple more videos dropping. If not, you can get these every week. And like I said, I get these off the internet somewhere in one day. If you want your car in the next video, go to my ad in the description at Instagram, and I will put you in the next video. And nitrous system coming soon. I'm just waiting on my boy to tell me what's the deal. So got a couple videos coming, boy. So you gotta subscribe, man. Hit that bell so you know next time I post. So let's get right into the video.
He gone if he get on the road. Yeah. Well, that's the tripping.
That is awesome. Oh, look at that shit. He's not even able to see the tree.
pas l'air.
Alright, so that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Like I said, if you like what you saw and whatever is your favorite car, drop it down in the comments, man. So right now it's 6:26. This video should be up around like 3, hopefully. So if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, man. And like I said, these supposed to come every Tuesday or Wednesday, so you can look forward to that. So I'm signing off. Peace.